Hello, my name is Jairo Cuellar. I live in Pitalito Huila. In the next video, we will answer the following question of activity that 5 technology with type. One question. How has technology changed human life in your community? Technology in my community has changed human life in many aspects, both positive and negative. View technology in the best thing we can believe in. So, two questions. What positive and negative aspect do you consider your community had in the use technology nowadays? Technology in my community is in a great change because it has had a great negative impact in the general family disunity and family conflict. Thanks.